Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1973 Plymouth Barracuda. Guys, this car has 100 miles on a recent body-up restoration. Said he's really driven it to one car show. Car came out of Virginia. Killer car. You can see they've made it look like the 70 AAR body style. Beautiful car. Vitamin C orange paint. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. It's got a beautiful set of 15-inch chrome rallies. Those are 10-inch wides in the rear. Strong running 416 stroker engine. 4-speed, piston grip 4-speed manual trans. Just a neat car, man. Beautifully done. Again, it's got gorgeous paint, good solid straight Virginia body, and a neat car. And like I say, a fresh restoration. Matter of fact, there's a couple things we gotta still do to the car. We'll kind of go through those as we go through the video, but neat car, great body style, and really nicely done. Sorry about the leaves blowing around everywhere. It's just that time of year. Again, gorgeous paint. Grill is in great shape. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. That's just something there, bug. New bumpers. It's got the chin spoilers. Again, just beautiful vitamin C orange paint. It's got the sport hood. Again, it is a Barracuda. It's not a Cuda, and it's not a real AAR car. Of course, they didn't have those in '73. You can see how nice that dash is in there. It's got an inside hood release, Jordy. Gorgeous paint. Sorry, man, the wind is just blowing like crazy right now. And blowing stuff all over the car. See how nice the glass is, the trim there around that rear window. Again, beautiful paint. Sorry guys, it's just wind whipping. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, those are 10-inch wide rear rallies, 15s all the way around. You can see it's got the Cuda rear valence. Car's got a great sound. You fire this thing up, it hits the ground, man. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Does have front disc brakes. Chrome mirrors. Yeah, and this is it starts off as a 340, but it's a 416 stroker motor. Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel. You see it's got the Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers on it. A beautiful set of ceramic headers. Power front disc brakes. Got HEI distributor in it. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake. Oh, we've got that new seal coming too. You see the clips are on it. We've got this seal coming for it. The original one got damaged, so we've got that coming for it. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Pretty car. When this thing hits, man, it sounds good. Look how nice that trim is around the windows. That's just a bug or something stuck on there. Glass is nice. Look how nice that is. As car said, it's been to one car show. This is a remote mirror. All new door rubbers. Just a little wax there, guys. You see it. My guy's just waxing it up. I've got the Cuda floor mats coming for it. Those are on order. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst pistol grip shifter. Yeah, 99 miles there on it. We're gonna have to check the tach. This tach all of a sudden's acting up, so we'll check it. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Dual exhaust. It's got an 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. Look how nice the trunk is done. And sorry, the leaves and stuff are just blowing everywhere. We've had to, we got the what do you call it coming as well, the little spring for this rear deck. Again, this thing's brand new. Well, you hear me tell people about shakedown miles on cars when they're new. There's always little stuff like that to do on these cars. Very nice underneath. Got it up in the air, got some pictures at the bottom for you. New carpet, new sill plates. Just a little dust, guys. Seats have been all recovered. Gauges are nice and clean. Door handles are all new chrome mirrors. Thing rocks, man. It's got a good, I mean, just a good run of small block in it. It's, like I say, it's only got a 323 in it, so you can definitely get more performance out of it if you wanted to. But right now it's set up, you can cruise it. That car looks good, man. Nasty little cam in it. Yeah, not real sure what's going on with the tach. We'll check it. Looks like all your other gauges are working. Blower motor? Yeah. Blower motor does work, radio works. Ah, stick it. Not real sure what it's doing. Just go ahead and cut them off. Are they parked down? We'll have to check them, guys. Again, that's the thing about stuff being new. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.